This hair is itchy. I think my mistake is going live. Let me change it to another top. Hi guys, to bring me closer to you. It's not 20 minutes stop cap here, it was 10. Oh. My bad. My apologies. You get Zulu right? Yes, I can hear Zulu, almost everything in Zulu, but I can't speak Zulu. I'm 24. My natural hair is on my page, you can see. My natural hair is on the page. I've got afro hair, guys. I've got afro hair. Thank you. Ninjani guys, today so I cooked, and yo guys, cooking for people you don't know is not nice, because at least when you cook for your friends they can criticize you and stuff and you take it. But cooking for people you don't know, guys. Hi, I'm your type. Are you 17? Thank you, Uganda. Thank you, that guy Tino. That girl Tino. Sorry. Thank you. I cooked chicken, beef stew and rice. Then I made a salad. She still a kid. Me? Me? I'm literally old enough. I'm 24, but I like 16, 17, 18, 19. 20 is expired. 21 is expired, you know, it ran through. And so I don't want that. I like 16, 17, 18, 19 maybe. You know, if I'm desperate. Yes. Yeah, I don't want a 36-year-old guys who's ran through with a baby mama. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Hey Betty. Are you working? No, I'm a stay-at-home mom. My friend's son like you, huh? How do you know that your friend's son likes me? Thank you, you're so cute. Thank you so much from Zambia. Can we be friends? He is 15, turning 16 next month. Yeah, that's good. That's fresh off the oven. I'm located in Zambia. We're in Zambia. Hey guys, no, I'm from Swaziland. Shame, I'm just lying. Guys, I'm just joking. I'm from Swaziland. I just saw your flag and I named something that I could name. I'm from Eswatini, guys. I was born in Eswatini. Thank you, Miss. It's Molly. Your name would be cool if you said Miss Molly. Favorite food has to be oxtail. Thank you, my darling. How much lobola do they want at home? They don't want any. They have their own money for lobola. They have their own cows actually, so it's cool. I don't think my dad wants me to lobola, guys. My dad's just very overprotective. But I think lobola for other women, you can ask. Elsewhere, guys. I just need to put on the music because it has stopped for certain reasons. I'm still in you. What kind of partner do you want in life? The one that is actually, guys, someone who wants to be happy like I want to be happy. You know, someone who knows what they want, like someone who's a leader, someone very masculine. You know how easy it is to be feminine to a man who's masculine. you don't, I'm sorry, I'm just tired. You are not blue. I will play that song because of you. I'm gonna go and play that song because of you right now. Sorry guys, hold on. I want to change it to this position. Sorry guys, this is a dress, but it goes on my neck, so I had to take it off, guys. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast. Come on to start up a conversation with just me. Trust me, I'll give it a chance now. Take my hand, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing live. Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. Mane awusikho cisi asithifa nito tindzaba namuhla ngicocela konke itolo and you know guys, when I open up and I tell you my stories that are crazy that I've experienced, do you know the guilt I feel after I've now opened my mouth too much? I then feel guilty, guys, like ish. Then I start like asking myself why I went live from the start. We call my child Blue because of you. Oh, that's nice. No, guys, the more I tell you my stories, the more I just feel like I'm opening up too much. Then I regret it. Thank you. It's very hot. I have the AC on too. Hello. The bills are not gonna pay themselves, but it. the day going? It's calm, and I can't believe it's 4 o'clock, guys.
I ain't got no motherfucking friend. That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West side, bad boy killers. Yeah. You know who the realest is.
I will never be a Chelsea fan in my whole entire existence.
First off, fuck your bitch and the click you claim. Good Lord. West side when we ride, man, we ride with flame.
You claim to be a player. I fucked your wife.
Bust on bad boys, motherfuckers for life. Puppy trying to test me, weak hearts I rip. Biggest balls in his crew, punk ass tricks. We keep coming, steady coming. Yes, we do. Fire stomping, clapping, true pop, bring the gun. Mercy, have mercy, no peace.
Hey guys, Barcelona.
Little Caesar.
Barcelona, and I don't care about the rest.
Cut you in
I'm Barcelona, I'm Argentina, I am Inter Miami, and I was also PSG at some point. I hope y'all understand why. There's someone that I'm going with that you guys already know.
so far peace. It's murder tonight. West side riding, bringing fire in the moonlight. Oh yeah. Grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac.
Ngala, sina
You once didn't.
Red Bull.
Now you can rap the rap of a minute. I hear
Come to Madrid to take a shit.
You motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all ain't even on my level. I let my little homies ride. All you bitch made bad boy bitches.
Don't be shocked, guys. This is the top. This is the top. I also followed Lewis Hamilton to Ferrari. That's good. If Max had to leave Red Bull for Mercedes, I would cry, but I would go to Mercedes as well because wow, wow, guys, I like the way Max speaks, guys. When he speaks, it's like this guy, like, got lists.
Motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Mercy. Y'all ain't even on my level. Not on his level. I let my little homies ride. All you bitch made bad boy
I mean, he is very aggressive. He's an aggressive driver, but I still like him regardless. I still like him regardless. You know, and also the fact that he is also very, you know, arrogant, a bit. I still like it regardless. Would you like him if he had a bad voice? He still no. I would like him. I would like him with everything that is wrong that you guys hate him for. I like that guy, and he's got a very good height. He's got a very, very great height. I won't lie, guys. Hamilton is so. I think he's the most handsome man on planet Earth. Lewis Hamilton is a version of Mr. World, to be honest. He is honestly so handsome. There is nobody on earth who's handsome as Lewis Hamilton. I don't care who says what. Lewis is so handsome. That guy is very gorgeous. I know Ronaldo fans are gonna come for me. Ronaldo fans, they want to be involved in everything. They'll say, no, Ronaldo is the most handsome man. Hey. As I walk through the valley, they want to be leaders of Instagram. They want to be leaders of goals. They want to be leaders of football. They want to be leaders of, I'm sure they want to be leaders of basketball. Guys, anyone know why I have 444? My birthday is on the 4th of January, so 4 is my lucky number. I never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. He treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. Unheard of. Better watch how you talking, the way you walking. You and your homies might be lying and talking. Find your AirPods. I have to buy them when I'm in South Africa. But to be honest with you guys, I'm giving up. I just have to accept that I have to take out large sum of money in my account and go buy them. And I hate this thing because it's a bad thing, you know. You know how hard it is to travel without your AirPods. So I have to, you know, buy new ones. But I had 5K for AirPods. Hello? Hello? Hi sir, sorry Shem, I'm at work. Yes, I'm at work, sorry. Can I have someone come to the gate quickly? Okay, cool, thank you. I'm just going to call someone to come out. Are you at the gate? Okay, let me just call someone quickly. Oh, Jesus Christ. It doesn't even say ringing. Oh my gosh. In time today, they sent it away back yesterday, and they're sending it away back again today because I still don't have anybody to pick it up by the gate. And today, I've asked that, but the security also is communicating. Is like complaining. I've done that, I've done that. But as soon as I get a delivered message on my app, I'll then know that it's with the security. They're both screaming at me for the situation. I'm thinking of taking yogurt, plain yogurt. I've lost my appetite, guys. I've just lost my appetite. I cooked and I was not interested in eating anymore. Maybe I should swing the camera this side. This is better? Okay, that is better. Guys, am I boring you? What's too much? I did explain, guys, that this is a dress. I had to pull it down because I was cooking and it was making me, like, it was strangling me basically. Why are you not on IG, babe? Oh, I'm gonna be very honest. I can't afford Instagram. I gotta post now and then. TikTok, it's better you just dance and you leave. It doesn't matter how you're dressed, but Instagram, you have to be always looking nice, and I really can't afford that. I've got bills. I've got serious bills, eh? Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take it back to the position. Okay, I'm gonna take hell, ma'am? Ma'am. I'm not studying, I'm eating. Hi, Lindo. This doesn't taste well. Sakuphethe kahle indoda yakho. Anginandoda mina. I don't know ufuna ukuthini. Khona into off. Khona into off. Plain yogurt isn't supposed to smell like this. Sure. A divorce yet is still taking place at Durban next year. Wena nje qhubeka nomuntu wakho nje. Qhubeka nomuntu wakho. Uphume kimi. Phuma nje kimi because shothi ngikuhlulile mina nawe shothi uyangihlula siyahlulana nje. Phuma kimi qhubeka nomfo wakho. You are not loyal, you are not patient. You should have waited for me. Kanti zonke njani uma uthola ukuthi ngiyitshitshi if you can't be patient nje ukhuluma nami. Couldn't they off? And I didn't. Hey, to those who are joining, guys, ninjani. Vicky. You see me, guys. Vicky had said yesterday she will never, ever join in the live. Guess who's here? I told you, you can leave me. I'm very patient. You will come back whether you like it or not. Vicky is here. Even if she doesn't type, but she knows I saw her. She is here. She said to me yesterday, Yena, she's done with me. She will never ever join my live again. That's what she said. Today she's back here. No, she's here. She will type. She not. I will not. I don't usually save my live, but I will save it now just to prove that Vicky was here. She had sworn yesterday that she will never join my live again. We are Puma Kimi. She is here today. I told her she will be back. She will say something, don't worry. She's pretending like she's not here. Vicky, I saw you. Avail yourself. Avail yourself. Don't run away. She is here. Something. Don't worry about her. She is here. Angitipila, she's caught. She doesn't want to be caught. Ending she to man ngatstolo meaning yema nango. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is Vicky, the one that said she will never come to my life again. She is here by popular demand. Welcome Vicky, we missed you, my love. Say hi to everyone and sit down. we knew you'd be back, but we didn't think you'd be back on time. We didn't think you'd be back so soon. Dlamini now 17. I'm 17. I'm a housewife. I'm not on IG, guys. I can't afford I can't roast Vicky. She's family. She knows she likes me. She was just throwing a tantrum yesterday. I'm playing Small Town Boy. It's the ending of the month and bills are standing on their 2 feet. Guys, Gobi. I can't ignore bills. There's no way. Because I have to pay. Are you a student or working? I'm currently paused. I will go back to school next year. Something cool. Can't ignore bills, whether you like it or not. You can't. You can't. Right? Yo. They are, hey? And the more I want to act like they are not, they are, Shane. Yo, I want you the past few days I was ignoring them, but now, the days is closing in. Gooby. Which help us the plan. Oh, my phone cover is actually black, not green, it's black. The month ends, I think. Does October have 31st? I think I will sell one phone to pay bills by Fed to Gobi. Oh yeah, they say October does have 31st, so we have time. We have tomorrow and we have Friday. Sell one for me. I'll sell the 14 Pro Max. Still fresh. I'll sell it for you. Ooh, I wouldn't know how much to sell it, guys. I wouldn't know how much to sell it. I wouldn't sell it even, shame. I would never sell anything of my phones. I will never get anything of my phones. Sell anything. Oh. Izozibhadala yona bafethu ayibo. Izozibhadala yona. Why am I holding on to it? The other one you have is 17 Pro. Let them go before they get old. Did you just say rent? Yes, I have to pay rent. Don't I have to pay rent? Yeah, my house. I have to pay for my house. I have to pay for my car. I have to feed my dog. My dog is not with me, it's with my mom, but I have to feed it. I've got Wi-Fi, guys. I've got electric bill, guys. Guys, doesn't even mention, please. No. iPhones depreciate quickly. 1 minute is 20k, then the next month it's 10. Next minute is 10k. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I like how you guys have so much faith in me. Like, y'all, guys, the only thing that's important that I own is that land that I have in Dlamini. There's these phones and a car. That's the only thing that I own. Like, do you know how hard it is to start building? I actually now understand when people say it's hard to start building. Yes, you've got the land, but like, what? An estimate of your total bills. Faka 17k. Faka 17k. Faka 17k. No, but guys, it's really like it's draining sometimes. People were talking about like what car do I have? I have a C-Class. So guys, Gobi. Guys. phela ngeke bese ngi-expose ama-bills ami la. Yeah, ne. I see why people get sugar daddies now. Me, I need one. There's my dog. I miss my friends. Usually I'd cook for my friends. I miss them so much. No, you're right. Swaziland is not. Sometimes we have a stretch, Sometimes we have a stretch. It's not always that everything is good. I understand you, which is also that things are not bad, but sometimes it's a stretch. Sometimes it's definitely a stretch. Where do they get sugar? That is, apparently you have to go to a restaurant now and then and dress up nicely. How is the government in Swaziland? Is your king in control of everything? Yes. Our king is the law. Me, I prefer staying with my parents than renting. I would also love to do that, but not with the furniture that I've bought. I have bought so much furniture, it's crazy. And all the things that I've bought in my house and everything. No, I don't think I can stay with someone. No. I can't stay with anybody, guys. Do you know how nice it is to come back to your home and it's so nice and clean? No dishes in the sink, it's just you. Hello? How's everything? Okay. Alright, I was just checking. Right. Yeah, I'm good. Bye. But a dishwasher. I buy a dishwasher. Guys, do you not understand? Guti, you guys don't understand. I'm saying, do you know how nice it is to come back home and there's no dishes in the sink? It doesn't mean if you don't have a dishwasher or you have a dishwasher. It's the people who will just put it. You don't have control of who's in your house. Whether you have a dishwasher or not, someone will just put a plate in the sink. Do you know how nice it is to come back and you have put your Red Bull in the fridge and nobody's touched it? Do you know how nice it is to put the remote control here and then come and find it here? Do you know how nice it is to actually have your couches untouched? Nobody has sat on your couch. Do you know how nice it is to actually not share anything? So no, I don't want to stay with anybody. I don't. Do you know how nice it is to wake up and you have nobody next to you? Like, sometimes you can sleep on the couch and wake up the next morning and the bed is still made. Yo guys, no, you guys don't you underestimate the level of staying alone. You guys underestimate that. Also, it's nice seeing what you bought with your money. Correct. I love my alone time. I love it, guys. I tell you that I love it. I love Guti and Mama. When I come back, I will have tea and then smoke happily and then dance on my own. Dance alone on my own. Do you know also how nice it is to not have someone trying to cuddle you? I hate cuddling. I don't understand people who like cuddling. Cuddling is so fake. I hate cuddling. Yo, I hate cuddling, especially after cough. I hate it. I hate cuddling. Just leave me alone. Let me breathe. Kyo. Then now, after cough, now I must get myself into it. No, please leave me alone. I want to breathe. Don't cuddle me. Also sleep while facing there, especially when you know you snore and you open your mouth when you're sleeping. Leave me alone. You've touched me enough. You've even entered things in me. Leave me alone. Let me sleep. Let me watch my TikToks. It's not that it was bad, but I just love my space, guys. Q. I know, people aren't the same. You're right. People aren't the same. You're right. Some other people, they like cuddling. Hey, now I had this ex that like cuddling. When you move, he gets so mad. And just, Guys, that person, when you decide to turn, that it will hold you even tight. And hey guys, no. And I love them so much, that guy, shame. And he didn't love me, shame. But no, he loved cuddling. I just couldn't. Guys, I can't cuddle. Konalo who breathes cold air or hot air. And who told people that kissing your ears during sex is nice? Don't do that. People, don't do that. Leave my ears. People, leave him long endlebeni. Guys, ani man, hey, ngeke, ani man, ngehlise phoza yami. Ibo. Indlebe yonke bemanje because Ibo. People, a whole tongue in your ear. No, you can't call that making love. Yeah, for me, once you start talking too much, and then now you put your mouth in my ear, I will stop, shame. I will stop, because what are you doing? What are you doing? Niyazi thanda tindle ayingeke fethu ngeke hey. And then people that talk too much nabo nje hey, is it nice bebongiputelani kana uthithembini? How is it nice? Do you like it? Yeah, like yeah, kanti kwenzenjani? Hey bo. No, but guys, leave ears alone. Leave ears alone. Leave ears alone. So I was going through another. I don't like it. Talking Dlamini, it switches me off and I become dry very quick. Umfazi akubude ukuthi ufuna ngikuthengele ini ngalesikhathi. I don't like hickeys as well. I hate hickeys because now I get red so easily. like I can do anything, I'll be red. I don't like hickeys. Hickeys are not good, guys. Somebody asked for the song. The name is Collar, but this one is slowed. It's by Lana Del Rey. It's Collar by Lana Del Rey. It's slowed. Normal kisses are good, yeah. Hey, Bule West, welcome in. I can't believe I found my people. That's good. Now, for me, I've got bad experiences with hickeys. Hickeys, guys, yes, they just make you look wretched and dirty. If you've got a hickey here, then now you have to go to in front of people, important people. You just look disgusting. You're just telling the whole world that you've been put down like a dog, and it's just, I don't like it. And armpits. Sorry, what's wrong with, what do you do with armpits? You guys, lapsu. Huh? Armpits are what? Guys, no. Seniyakanga-ke manje. Naming mga sama armpits, guys. You guys, what do you guys? Ugahleli guys, bahleli. Hey, mami. You don't kiss armpits. Guys, you kiss armpits, you guys. Yemage. I am livid. I am shocked. Bengithi nigcina lamabeleni. Armpits. Likwapha ngathi ninemanga. Yabona nje nama soqala kungibhujunga likhwapha ngavele ngihleke shemnami. Ngavele ngihleke because ngeke. Hemake. Nicabuzana emakhwapha. Emfana babele mvele faka iroloni yapi iroloni baba kanje. Ha ninemanga shem. Ninemanga shem. Ninemanga. Ngeke. Ninemanga. Ngeke. Ngeke shem ninemanga. Emfana makulisukela ngani likhwapha ufika njanje khwapheni. There's no need for that, guys. You guys are now nina senifuna ka sathane sena apply kuya ka sathane. Like sena apply ka sathane. And I guess I was wrong. Excuse me. No, guys. I'm pissed. I got a bad experience. I'm being yo, okay. Angifunje khulu manje. Me He ngamangala. Ngamangala. He ngamangala kakhulu mina guys. Ngiyabonga futhi ngayimake. Ngiyabonga nje. I didn't know that people get intimate on their armpit. I think that is abomination. A polite abomination. It's like full body massage. Ekwapheni ngelwimi. I guess man. You guys are just capping. Are you just saying things at this point? Likwapha ngasil dry kanje. Hey, asanim help. Epic. Mina umsila ngine experience and angifuni futhi. Yabona nje lemfo leyo yangimangalisa kakhulu nje. Hey Epic, yabo nje nganelanga nangiyohlala phansi nawe ngiyokuchazela. Abangendanga kanye hayi kabili hayi kathathu kaningi. Ngithi lemvo ngidocabanga ukuthi itoba normal la kimi. Hayi ngeke guys angiyaba normal. Ngabathi ngiyabuka. Ngeke. I'm speaking Siswati. I'm not speaking Zulu, but I will try and get Zulu here and there. But I just mimic people that I hear from the TV and people here on. But I will totally understand Zulu with all. A Zulu, I can have a conversation with a Zulu person. Because even Zulu people understand Siswati. But there's some words that they don't understand. I'm based Gamanzin. Yeah, I wanna angtanzi kusho my direct address, guys. I don't like doing that. I did that some other time, and they went to my gate to drop flowers for me, which I don't appreciate, because I don't understand why people do that. Wow, it's bully guy. But how must I respond to you and I'm worried that you're gonna bully me because of your name? Where did I buy my necklace? I bought it from Lovisa. I'm not a model, guys. How old are you? I am 24. Thank you, Minky. I almost said Milky. How are you? I'm good, Gracia. Have any favorite football team in Eswatini? My friend once favored in Iwandra. Is it Sundowns? I don't know, but kukhona lesokasakubukela nemngani wami at the time, and we We just liked it together. I adore you. God protect you. Thank you so much. Are you in a relationship? No, I am not in any kind of a relationship right now. But I am open to dating because I'm not gonna lie, I'm talking to somebody. I'm not gonna lie, guys. But dating, no. I'm currently not dating. And I don't think it's good time enough for me to claim the person. How did he raise you? By just being, truthful, and very... I just love someone who's available, but someone who makes me feel, but I wouldn't want to claim a relationship right now. But there's also things that I'm not happy about. I'm having a very hard time talking to people. It seems everybody has a child. So that's why I'm not even sure about this talking stage, because all the time. Just a lot of talking stage without really going for me. When it's time to go for it, no, I don't do that. But what am I scared of? I'm literally scared of having to deal with my insecurities, because I heard someone say that baby mamas never really stop loving their baby daddies, and they always hope for a chance to get back together. And I don't have a kid. I don't plan on having a kid anytime soon, and I'm on prep. I don't want to do anything with anybody unless I'm sure. And yes, I know you can never be so sure. Why did you break up with the Zim guy? I've never dated a Zim guy, man. How? What are your standards in a relationship? Sorry. Hey love, how are you? Hi Lahadib, how are you? So thank you, Nyabong. It's hard dating people with kids. I'm Sean Cape Town, but now I'm in England for work. Hey Sean, Dre, hey. Relationships these days are never guaranteed. These days they are just bound to end. Yes, he's got one. That's the thing. That's what makes it even worse, because now I don't feel like the connection ends, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Debe. Thank you, Nkambule. Tiwa Nkambule, bese tiwa Msud. Hey, I'm not the man writing, but thank you, Debe. Can you visit me this side? If you have a kid, no. No. You're a marine engineer. That's good. Why do you feel that that connection never ends? I mean, All I know is people who have kids together, they always find their way back, even if they don't. But guys, there's just a connection, and I know that there is. I don't know how. I have to prove it. I can't prove it, but there is a connection there. I think people who can afford you and be with you once laba sedagahle, so most likely to have a kid. I don't care how much money you have. Once you have a kid, for me, Jay, I don't care. You can't faze me with money. You can't. I don't care who says no. You're acting. I don't care. I have my father who's alive. He still gives me allowance. At 24, I'm the last born at home. He still gives me money. Why must I be worried about a man who's got a kid when I don't have a kid? There's no amount of if I decide, Guti, I'm dating a man who's got kids but has money, that's because I want the money. Once people have kids, they have a connection. There's a high possibility, there's a 99% possibility that these people can get back together because of the child. You will be there alone as if you are the one that's wrecking this family. Guarantee when I'm out figure, they were already broken up. So when they get back together, it will be like you were the one that was making them not get together. So no, I will be very honest with you guys. People who have kids together, they never break up. They never break up. Unless this is a woman, she has kids for this one and then kids for this one. Yeah, boy. Then we won't know who does she want to be with. But still, you know. So it's crazy, guys. I'm gonna be very honest. It's crazy. It's very, very crazy. It's very, very crazy. And those people never break up. I'm gonna be honest with you. They never break up. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. If you're dating a baby daddy, yazi nje ukuthi i-contract yakhe izophela noma unini uma ubaby mama. If she decides that the child is sick at 12 in the middle of the night and she comes at the gate with the child, you must understand, you have to leave. You will have to leave. You will have, whether you like it or not, you will the child is sick. You will have to leave. Whether you like it or not, you will have to leave. No, you don't reconsider my feelings. Your feelings were when my child is sick. Eh? I must choose your feelings over my child. So you don't have a child? No, I don't have a child. And I'm not planning on having a child. Yeah, come, in your 30s, you will want a child. Yeah, in your 30s, you'll be lonely. It's fine. I will be lonely in my house with my dog. The government will bury me. I'm paying every month. The government will bury me. Hey, ngeke. Hey, ngeke, bafethu. Hey, the government will bury me. I'm paying every month. Hey. Ngamane ngibe unhappy. I would rather be unhappy and alone and get my pension fund. I will stay with my dog. I will get the female dog and a male dog. We will stay there in the house together. I will farm patata. I will farm everything there. I will farm everything. I will have horses there. If at 35 I'm still lonely, it's fine. Let me be miserable and alone. I will take it, Shem, with a pinch of salt. I will take it with a pinch of salt. And if I die, government will find me dead in my home alone. Government will bury me. If I go to hell, I will say, okay, I'm in hell. What have you done on earth? I took care of my mom until she died. And I also, my brothers, I have 2 brothers, they will have kids. I will see them, hello, bye-bye. So long as it's not gonna stay with me here in the house. That because now I must leave the house, I must live with it, or I must now call someone to stay with the child. No, I do not want that. If you have a child and I decide that I love you, hey, iliphuza lelo. Nimenzeni upurple manje ngifika kuyasha. Yes. No, guys, but like I'm being very, very honest, guys. I'm very, 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 very honest, guys. I'm very, very honest. It's hard dating people with kids. It's hard. There's things that you have to accept. Yes, I do have sisters from my father's side, but I'm the only girl on my other side, on my mom's side. I'm not working, Sean, please. I'm not working. I'm just breathing by the wound. Kids are the only thing you truly own in the world. No, they are not. They are not. They are not. They own you, not that you own them. All my sisters have kids. Some of them kids my age. No, nobody visits me. I don't like kids. I like toddlers. I like toddlers, like, you know, toddlers, like this young thing that will ask me if I could buy it some chips, or can we watch Cocomelon, you know. I like that stage, you know. I like that, the toddlers, you know. I really think that's precious. But I don't like grown kids that I can have a conversation with. No, I don't like that. What's your preferred type of man? You mean physically or personality? Physically, must be very light skinned. I don't care about the height. It must be very light skinned. Even if it's a nerd, I like nerd. Oh, I like guys with glasses. Must be a nerd, like, must be very arrogant, must be unapproachable, must be very light skinned, or white. Personality, very arrogant, unapproachable. You love your light skinned Chris Browns. Yeah, you're right, you got that right. If you catch me pregnant, it must be a colored or white baby. I love that skin. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Ooh, but they have nice skin, guys. Oh, I don't wanna lie. They have really, really, really nice skin. Colored people have nice skin. Oh my goodness. Maybe colorless is what I don't know, but every colored guy in Swaziland actually look good that I know. Have you dated a colored gent? Yes. 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 Chami, do you have a favorite memory? I do. I do have favorite memory. I actually do have favorite memory. Was it with someone else or yourself? It was by myself. I was driving down to Durban on my own, and it was really a good day, I won't lie. From Swaziland to Durban. I left at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was playing gospel music and I was having my tea. And then I remember I filled up petrol because I got there a bit early at the border. I remember I got there a bit early, so I filled up my tank, and then I just continued in my journey. It was a good weekend. It was a good weekend. So yeah, it was by myself. Next week I'm coming to Cape Town. Can we have a date? I will never ever drive to Mars. There is no way anybody can pay me money to drive to Mozambique. I will never. The guys, the cops there, they will look for a mistake in your car. Even if they don't find it, they will still try and shuffle money out of you. I've seen it with my own eyes. And those people, there's no way anybody can force me to drive to Mozambique. If those guys, they look for, I was driving a V-Class, and I had people in the car. Do you know how many times we got stopped? For no absolute reason. There was no absolute reason, no mistakes. It's a straight road. If they will look for a mistake, if there's no mistake, they will ask you direct. So no, I will never do that again in my whole entire life. I will never do that again in my whole entire life. Don't drive in malls with SA plates. Well, How many beaches have you been to? Cape Town, and Durban, and the Mozambique one. Can you swim though? Yes, I can swim. Guys, it's my favorite song. Yeah, it's my favorite song, guys. It's my childhood song. I remember we used to wait for my mom to come back from work, and we'd play loud music because my mom even still now like big speakers, you know. By then LG was still a thing. We didn't have JBL like right now. Hey, we would play this kind. I love this song. Is this song from Switzerland? No, it's from South Africa by Oskido and some lady. Man, guys, nandun sa lela katle. No, I know the song, guys. Guys, I know it. Yes, I got it. I got it.
One more time for the bass.
Nah.
No. Song it on you.
Yo, guys. No, I can dance, mine. Ninamangan ni. Guys, singing Mzamile. Ngigabi. Namani ngathini. Ningkelumona. Hi guys. Do you like waffles? I like waffles.
One more time for the bass.
Why don't you have IG? I can't afford IG, guys. You have to be constant, you know. Can see TikTok, it's better. It's actually it's an actual day. I used to follow you to be my friend. Please don't do this to me. You DM'd me that you wanted to be my friend, and that no, you can't do that. You can't do that. You don't manipulate people to be your friend. I'm thinking of driving out and get like. But I'm gonna be honest, guys. When I left Instagram, I left it because my partner was not comfortable with me on it, and people, even his people, you know, were trying to see how easy I am. Then I would show him that, look, your friend has DM'd me, you know. I think they're just trying to see if I'm just an easy target, and you know. And really, my Instagram was just bad. There was nothing interesting there. I just took it down, guys, and life has been good after that. I have no problem with Instagram. People who are on Instagram, that's still fine with me. Skincare. I just use La Roche-Posay for my face to wash, and then currently I'm just using E45 because I'm not at home. Did your partner remain friends with those people? I think it's their line, you know, that let me hit her up to see if she's easy, you know. And then instead of me talking to them, I just went and I showed him. You know, I don't know if he's still friends with them or not, but I don't care about him because that relationship ended a long time ago. I don't know what it was. I told you guys yesterday that my relationship, if I am in love, anyone who talks to me, I will go and tell my boyfriend. If you ask for my number, I will give you my boyfriend's number. When I'm in love, I will show you Shaggy. I will definitely show you Shaggy. I'm very Can your man have the phone password? Guys, me, you can have everything. Shame, even 3 of my phones you can have password, everything you want. The only messages that are coming through mostly in my phone is my mom, my older brother, and my little brother. My little brother likes asking me for money, and then you'll see Shein notifications and Pinterest notifications. There's nothing else you're gonna see in my phone. If you want to open my TikTok, you can open my TikToks to see my DMs. What in your hidden section? What's in your hidden section? I don't know what you mean. I can't wait to play the song for my next love. But I'm gonna be the winner. People want to fight for your love, but I'm going to be the winner. Some time back, you were too hyped. What happened? Oh, I fell off, Pella. I fell off. Who in the hell would hype me even? Who in the hell would hype me? Shotty, I fell off, my guy. Everybody falls off. Like your D. Your D is off right now. I'm telling you. If you're looking in your pants, your D is falling off. As if I didn't pass, guys. You know how people, they try to use something against you to just try and make you feel bad, you know, and when you've really accepted that you can't get to me, you can't. I keep following you and it's an easier way. I think lam. Thank you, Minesh. Guys, I'm gonna be playing this song once I fall in love. I will play this song for my lover. I will play this song for him and I'll tell him. Guys, I've been live for a very long time. Thank you guys for joining my live. I have to love and leave you. I've been here since 4 o'clock and now it is very late. You're always live. When do you get time to pass gas? Just ask. In the morning. But guys, these are my days to be live because, you know, I'm free. Yeah, boy. And thank you so much, guys, for being here with me and listening to my nonsense, my stories. Take care and be good. See, before you go, one request. What would that be? Let me listen to this request before I go. You know what's crazy, guys? You guys say I must go live often and then I do, and then why are you always live? I don't understand. Like what, like what's the problem? If I go live, why are you always live? If I keep quiet, you know, I don't get it. Like, why do you guys why are you affected with how live I am? Bati angdale chikwere. What is that? Chikwere. What is this? You know what? No, because this is not good, eh? That is traumatizing. Okay, guys, I was going to play a song, but it's too slow for me. It's just too slow for me. I'm gonna send it now, guys. Before Muhammad, let's play this one before I go. No, guys, I'm not leaving. I want us to dance to this song and then I leave then. Fika kule party yam lele ngiyifuna khona. People have left. Bye. Asal tu saya panggil pada. Wow. Thank you so much, guys, for sharing my life. I love y'all. Take care.